Welcome, dear listeners, to a tale that will send shivers down your spine. In the deepest corners of a hidden library, a linguist uncovers a treasure trove of forgotten sounds. A journey that will make you question what's lurking in the silence of your own room. So, grab your headphones and prepare to be enthralled as we dive into the echoes of history in the Library of Forgotten Sounds. Don't forget to hit that like button, if you dare, and subscribe to keep the chills coming your way. In a world where the past was not entirely forgotten, and the echoes of vanished cultures lingered on, there existed a hidden, mystical library known only to a few. This extraordinary place was the repository of something precious and rare. The last known sounds of extinct animals, languages, and cultures. It was a library where sounds were cherished as much as words. The library, named the Echo Vault, was a vast underground repository, shrouded in secrecy and mystery. Its custodians, a group of dedicated scholars and linguists, were entrusted with preserving the sonic remnants of forgotten histories. Among these scholars was Dr. Amelia Hawthorne, a brilliant linguist with a keen ear for even the most subtle nuances of sound. Amelia had heard whispers of the Echo Vault throughout her academic career, and she was determined to explore its secrets. She believed that within those carefully sealed jars, there were stories that transcended time and connected her to cultures long lost. One fateful day, she received an invitation from the custodians of the Echo Vault, granting her access to the enigmatic collection. As Amelia entered the library, the dim, ancient halls reverberated with hushed murmurs. The echo of footsteps on stone floors accompanied her journey deeper into the labyrinthine chambers. The first stop on her quest was the Sounds of Extinct Languages section. She cautiously unsealed a jar and listened to the fading whispers of a language that had once been the lifeblood of a vanished civilization. The soft, ethereal sound of that forgotten tongue filled the air. Moved by the experience, Amelia continued her exploration, moving through rows of jars, each containing a precious relic of bygone sounds. In the lost birdsong section, she uncovered the haunting calls of extinct avian species, their songs like echoes of the past. As she ventured further, Amelia discovered a section dedicated to the dying breaths of cultures. She listened to the ritual chants, stories, and everyday conversations of people long departed from this world, all contained within glass jars. The more she explored, the more she felt a deep sense of connection to the people and creatures who had left their sonic legacies behind. The haunting beauty of these sounds tugged at her heartstrings, as if they were reaching across time to tell her their stories. Then, in a dimly lit corner of the library, she found the last Roar collection, featuring the final recorded sounds of extinct animals. Amelia opened a jar, and the thunderous roar of an extinct giant cat, the Barbary lion, filled the chamber. Amelia's journey through the Echo Vault continued for days, and with each new discovery, she was awed by the tapestry of history she was weaving through sound. She even found herself conversing with the custodians, sharing the stories she had unraveled from the echoes of the past. One evening, as the echoes of her footsteps danced along the walls of the library, she discovered a hidden section marked Voices of Wisdom. This section held the spoken words of ancient philosophers, thinkers, and scholars from forgotten civilizations. One particular jar contained the words of a wise philosopher who spoke of the interconnectedness of all life, a concept that resonated with Amelia's soul.
Within the vast symphony of existence, life manifests as an intricate web where every strand, from the mightiest redwood to the tiniest ant, contributes to the profound harmony of the cosmic design. Through this interwoven tapestry, we glimpse the profound wisdom of unity and the symphonic orchestration of life.
Amelia knew that she had made a profound discovery. The library wasn't just a repository of sounds. It was a portal to the wisdom and stories of the past. She was determined to share her findings with the world, to let the echoes of these lost cultures and creatures be heard once more. As she left the Echo Vault, she couldn't help but think that in the sounds of the past, there was a chance for a richer, more interconnected future. The library had shown her that the echoes of history, preserved in words, have the power to bring people together and bridge the gap between eras. Amelia dedicated her life to the study and preservation of these echoes, ensuring that the sounds of the past would continue to resonate through time, just as they had resonated with her in the hidden, mystical library, the Echo Vault. That's all for today's spine-tingling adventure. We hope you've enjoyed this tale from the depths of the Echo Vault. If you found it as captivating and haunting as we did, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to share it with your bravest friends. And if you're not already part of this new, chilling community, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss our next eerie excursion into the unknown. Until next time, stay curious and keep your eyes open for the echoes of history.